You sit in the dark glow of your screen, scrolling through endless lists of generic topics and categories, paralyzed by the heavy expectation that choosing a niche is a permanent, life-altering commitment. You stockpile bookmarks and build sprawling folders of half-finished notes, convincing yourself this endless research phase is productive preparation when it is actually just a comfortable hiding place. And while you stay safely hidden in the planning phase, you are quietly paying an invisible, compounding penalty that drains your momentum every single day. You are paying the stuck tax, a compounding leak that thrives while you wait for a flawless idea, and it only stops the day you put something real into the world. Yet picking a direction should take 5 minutes, and the only reason it takes months is that you are searching for answers in completely the wrong place. Stop chasing massive, abstract categories and start looking for one specific person struggling with one recurring, deeply frustrating Tuesday afternoon problem. Release yourself from the pressure of a permanent choice, because a niche is not a life partner. It is simply a 90-day working theory designed to be tested and refined. The moment you commit to building the smallest credible version of an idea, you trade paralyzing guesswork for the undeniable relief of real data. Because you do not need to invent a brand new market when your most profitable assets are already sitting quietly in your own past. That nagging voice of impostor syndrome, the feeling that your knowledge is too obvious to teach, is actually the exact lived experience that strangers are desperate to pay for. The raw material for your next product is hiding in plain sight, buried in the recurring questions in your chats and the unseen goldmine resting in your sent email folder. But unearthing that raw expertise is easy compared to the grueling friction of trying to manually package and price it for an actual market. Structuring your experience manually feels overwhelming, but you no longer have to build that roadmap alone. Load the skill.md file, and you immediately override generic, unhelpful chatbots with a 7-step framework designed for rapid execution. This embedded code bypasses the generic noise, forcing the AI to generate the sharp, commercially grounded roadmap that takes months of manual labor. Now, the entire architecture of your future evergreen business rests behind one precise operating framework. These are the niche clarity files, an interactive engine built for immediate action, not a passive document destined to rot on your hard drive. Will you surrender another week to the stuck tax? Or will you let a dedicated AI strategist map your profitable exit route today? Stop subsidizing your own hesitation and step forward to meet the one person whose Tuesday afternoon problem is about to become your evergreen business. Access the complete niche clarity files, load the intelligence into your AI, and extract the profitable offer you already own.